Alright guys, so today we are going to try to do the repair on the Wolf. I'm going to try to put that fairing on the front right there. But I had a little disaster last night. My coffee machine broke. So I had to go buy this here at the dollar store. Just gonna let y'all know, man. If I don't get my coffee in the morning, ain't shit happening. It's done. And this guy right here, I guess he's gonna watch me do all this shit. But anyway, as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, so step one of this process is to take this here shitty little dollar store screwdriver and remove 4 screws. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, the screws are off up there, and there was some screws on the side, different size screws. So I put the ones on the bottom over here and the ones on the top on the other side. Y'all may not know this, but your old captain here is not the most mechanically inclined human being on the face of the planet. I can make shit work for a good while. You know, something breaks, I can duct tape it back together pretty much, get it to work. But, you know, craftsmanship really isn't my forte. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is take these here scissors and cut the zip tie that I did, and hopefully I don't cut no wire. Boom, that just happened. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the issue we're dealing with here. We have this right here, which is part of this fairing in the front. The fiberglass is broken. Now, sitting over there in that box is a new front fairing, but it doesn't have a hole for this screw to go through. So I went down there to the hardware store and bought a little drill bit, and I got a drill sitting around here somewhere. There it is, right behind that storage bin, that right there. And we are going to attempt to drill a hole through that. Will this work? I have no fucking clue. Okay, so part of this video is for my memory. So I got to take these two things apart and do the same to the other side. So I just wanted to say that real quick in case I forget. Okay, I think we're ready for that magical moment where the fairing comes off. Oh my lord, look at this, it actually came off. Oh, look at all them damn wires. Holy shit, I better not fuck this up. Now I'm scared. I did not think I'd see a bunch of wires back there. God, I hope I don't mess up. Alright, let me put this camera down and see what I can do. Okay, so I want to show you where I'm really confused. This thing has 2 holes in it, one for the wire to go through and one to hold the bolt in place. I'm gonna go ahead and break this. This is the one that's already broken to save the time of putting all that shit through there. I'm gonna have to think about this for a little bit. Okay, so these are the 2 fairings side by side. Right over here is the new one, and this is the broken one. So you can see 2 holes, right? 2 holes were over there. Over here, no holes. Ah, boy. Alright, so I got a drill, and I'm going to try to drill some holes through this thing. Anything goes wrong in this process, this is where it's going to happen. So I didn't know those holes were going to be that big. So I just bought this little tiny thing here. I might have a bigger drill set laying around somewhere. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and start the hole off here and try to work my way up hole size wise, if that makes any sense. Okay guys, brought to you by the same guy that got caught cheating in his high school auto tech class. Looky there. Look at that. I put them holes in there just like that. And I didn't even have the proper tools. I had to use a damn screw. And one of these bits right here off of this, I don't know, ratchet set or whatever. So the question is now, how do I get that wire through one of these holes, and is the hole big enough for the wire to go through? Questions to remain to be seen. But I'm proud of myself. See, Mr. Bullard, I could do it. Just saying. Well, holy shit, guys. I actually got it to go on there. Man, I tell you what. Look at me now. I am not mechanically inclined. And I'm drenched in sweat. And it ain't but 60 degrees out here. Got my mind working hard. But I done did that part. One last thing that has to get done. Oh, that's the old one. I gotta try to figure out how to put these on. I'm gonna try to do it the right way instead of me just rigging it together like I usually do everything else. Let me fuck with it and see what I can do. Okay, I had to take it apart again. Great success. I got the wire to go through the hole on the outside. Now it's real easy. Whoop, whoop. Be gentle. Don't drop the damn fuck. Alright. I got this. I'm gonna put all this shit together, and I'm gonna show you final product looks like. I done tested it. It worked. So let's see how this goes down. Alright guys, here we are. Job complete. Man, it took a while. But I got it. I even Loctite this mirror that always comes loose. I did this again. But here you go. Look here. Bam. Bam. So the reason this broke was because whoever put the damn thing together put it together wrong. They created a fundamental, I guess, weakness in the fairing because I don't know how well you can see this. This has 3 holes. Whatever numbnut did it, put it through that one instead of that one. I know it was done incorrectly because on the other side it was done correctly. So I guess Wolf Brand Scooters dropped the ball on that. Whatever. It spent a couple hours fixing the damn thing, and my time is money. So now I gotta go back to work. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry it took so long to get this thing fixed. It just took a lot of motivation for me to actually get around to doing this. I am not good at this type of shit. I'm better at, I guess, riding and coming up with the money to buy bikes than actually fix them myself. I try to do the best I can, but this isn't something that I'm particularly good at, but I'm actually glad I was able to get this thing done. So if you could like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when I put out videos. Here again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.